Okay, this is the first time I have started the lathe and run it after I just hooked up power. And this is a dial indicator that is supposedly accurate to 0.0005. So it looks to me like it's showing 0.002 to 0.0025 of runout right here. This is the outboard side. The inboard side, I think, may even be a little bit worse. So perhaps some of that is related just to the way that this faceplate is attached, but nonetheless, that's what I'm getting. I'm also getting something that's sort of interesting that I don't understand. And that is, I can bring it up to 120 hertz, but I can't bring the lathe up beyond that with the variable frequency drive. As I go up above 120 hertz, the motor kicks off. Now, I'm not sure if that's something related to the motor itself or to the VFD, because the VFD continues to read, 180 or 200 hertz, but then the motor just peters out. And as soon as I come back down to 120 or 130 even, it seems to power right back up. So I'm going to have to call Zeller Electric, who did the rewind on the motor here. That little noise is the dial test indicator. So here's the lathe otherwise. This is a model 25A. We'll bring this in so you can see it. Model 25, and the serial number is right there. There's a 332 or 37063, and a couple other tags. I'm not sure what those are for, but overall it cleaned up very well. I've still got all my stuff right here. It's a nice sized lathe, not the biggest one I've got. This, I still have to actually clean that. I had to use that as a fulcrum to unbend the handle, which got bent during our fire. So I'll have to touch that up, and that was from the pry bars I used. In addition, I have finished up the tail stock, totally cleaned that out and put it back together. I just have to repaint that. Here's the tail end, and I wound up painting it with a nice color combination, at least I think so. It shows the Oliver. I didn't fill in anything in the casting, nor did I try to get all the paint off. If you would have seen this lathe in the aftermath of our fire, you would know why I just settled for this. It was major work just to get it into shape here. Right now I've got it up on 5-inch casters that I bolted to a 6x4, and so it moves with one hand. And just for comparison, I'm going to walk back up here just to give a perspective. This headstock is just huge. And here's at the other end here, that's my Nova XPR, or DVR XPR, I guess. And so it looks like a little tiny toy in comparison to the Oliver here 25A. I think it weighs about 3,700 pounds, if I recall, when I weighed it at the weigh station when it was on the trailer. Anyway, I've got a few more bugs to work out, including some settings here that I don't have correct because this isn't working. I'll have to figure that out and finish the programming probably tomorrow. I'll read about it tonight. In any event, I'll have to call Zeller Electric tomorrow, and they were supposed to have balanced the shaft. We'll look further into it. I'm going to post this though.